Today I want to show you how to find a fuse in your above ground water heater pump, and in case if it's faulty, replacing it. Let's go for it. Okay, so before you start, make sure to switch off the breakers. First thing first, you have to remove the panels, and this specific unit, it's a Stratos 50 from TTI FAB. It has two panels, the main one and the one that basically closes the box. So you unscrew both of them, and this will allow you to access the panel. This unit gets applied with 240 volts, and you don't want to have any problems with electricity. So again, go and turn off the breakers. Then test out there is no electrical current going. I use multimeter and just switch to 200 volts, attach to the ground, test both L1, L2, there is zero, good to work with. The goal of this video is to show where the fuse is located, so I'll make the camera closer and I'll show you where it is. Okay, so what you see is the main board, and if you inspect it closely, you will see that the fuse, and it's labeled here, is located right here. So what you want to do, first you detach the cover, and then you can either use your hands, which is hard. I can use pins from the multimeter and just remove it so I can inspect it. This is it, and usually when it's blown you will see it visually because there is a little metal wire. If you see it inside, it's gonna be it's gonna be burnt. But if you want to be sure, let's see how you can test it with multimeter. So you put your multimeter to the 200 ohms, and then you test the multimeter first, connect both pins, and if you hear the sounds, it works. Take the fuse and do the same. Connect to the both ends of the fuse, and if you hear the sound, the fuse is fine. If you don't hear the sound, you need to replace the fuse, and this is applicable for different fuses as well. Let's see. Okay, so in our case, the fuse is working. But again, this is how you can find the fuse in your pool water heater pump, and you can detach it and inspect it. That's how you can find where the fuse is in your pool's heater pump and easily replace it with the new one. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Cheers!